The drink we're about to make is called the Casino Cocktail. So if you're looking for a nice drink to enjoy while you're in the casino, maybe it'll give you a little bit of luck. Put some ice in a glass here. We're going to serve this in a martini glass, so if you want to chill it, go ahead and put some ice and water in there. Let that sit while you're mixing your ingredients. Measure out 1 shot of gin. There we go. Follow that up with a half a shot of maraschino liqueur. Next, we'll do a half a shot of lemon juice. There we go. And 2 dashes of orange bitters. There's 1 and 2. Now let's shake this up real good. And hopefully this will bring you some luck at the blackjack table or the slot machines. There we go. Come on there. Try not to break your bar if you can. Strainer and set up our martini glass. There we go. Casino cocktail. Last thing we're going to add is a cherry. There you go. Bottoms up.